Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Here's a very simple recipe to prepare a broccoli tart. For this recipe we need 700 grams of broccoli cut into florets, 1 red onion sliced, 20 grams of pistachios, a tablespoon of minced garlic, 10 sheets of filo pastry, 180 grams of goat cheese, 3 eggs, 20 centiliter of milk, 40 grams of melted butter, some salt, few tablespoons of olive oil and some water. First of all, I heat some oil in a pan and cook the onion until they are golden. Add in the pistachios, cook it for another few seconds and then add in the garlic. Give it a stir and now add the broccoli, some salt and 10 centiliter of water. Give it a mix, cover and let it cook on medium-high heat for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, grease a baking tin with a little of the butter. Brush the filo sheets with the butter. Then use them to line your tin, letting them hang over the sides. I'm layering each one at different angles for folding up later. Turn the heat off when broccoli is tender. Fill your tart with the veg mixture. Add the cheese to the filling. Whisk together the eggs and the milk and pour it into the tart filling. Fold over the overhanging pastry and brush with melted butter. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. I'm using the bottom rack. Bake it for about 35 minutes or until golden and crispy. Voila, voila. Bon appétit!